Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about artery, vein and capillaries, different type of blood vessels. Through that only the blood is flowing throughout the body. So first one is artery. Artery means it carry oxygen or oxygenated blood from heart to each and every part of the body with the help of hemoglobin. That's why that is called oxyhemoglobin. When oxygen mixed with iron containing protein, that is called hemin and globin, together called hemoglobin. When oxygen mixed with hemoglobin, it becomes oxyhemoglobin, and hemoglobin is present in RBC, red blood cell, erythrocytes. Clear? So when oxygen mixed with hemoglobin, it becomes oxyhemoglobin. That oxygenated blood transport by the help of heart to each and every part of the body through a artery named aorta. This about aorta we will read in heart when we will discuss about heart, different parts of the heart. Clear? So artery carry oxygenated blood from heart to each and every part of the body, whereas veins carry deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood means carbon dioxide containing blood, other waste materials also. When carbon dioxide mixed with hemoglobin, it becomes carbaminohemoglobin. We can say that it is carbaminohemoglobin because hemoglobin mixed with carbon dioxide. And veins carry deoxygenated blood from each and every parts of the body towards the heart. First one, artery carry oxygenated blood from the heart to each and every part of the body, whereas veins carry deoxygenated blood from each and every parts to the heart. Now, artery having narrow lumen, L-U-M-E-N, lumen means this hole is called lumen and this is called wall. So, artery is having narrow lumen, it means that the wall is thicker wall, whereas veins having wider lumen, so wall is what? Thinner. So in artery case, the wall is thicker, whereas in vein case, wall is thinner. So that artery carries blood, oxygenated blood with a force, because heart is pumping blood. From here, we can conclude that the wall of the artery is thick, while the wall of vein is what? Thin. Clear? Artery carry oxygenated blood, but one exceptional case is there, that is pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood. From where to where? From heart to lungs. Whereas veins carry deoxygenated blood, but one exceptional case, that is pulmonary vein, which carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. And which part of the heart? That is left auricles. Whereas this deoxygenated blood by the help of pulmonary artery, it is moving from the right side ventricle towards the lungs. That's why our blood circulation is also called double circulation, because two times, first from each and every part it is moving to the heart, and from heart to lungs, again coming to the heart, and then circulating to each and every parts of the body. That's why our case double circulation takes place. My dear student, the wall of the vein is thinner, and here pumping is not there. Nothing is there to pump the blood for forward movement. That's why veins having valve, valve, whereas in artery case valve is not there. Understood? So many things I told from here. One is oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood, thick wall, thin wall. Lumen is narrow, here wider lumen you are getting. In vein valve is present, artery valve is absent. Understood or not? Next one, sometimes we are measuring our pulse rate, and that pulse rate due to the arterial jerk. Jerk means what? Heart is pumping the blood, and the blood is flowing with a pressure. That's why here one beat pulse rate we can measure by the help of artery. The pressure created at the artery which measures the pulse rate. Doctors are keeping their finger on your this wrist, Next one, arterial, understood? Veins also. Now capillary. What? Actually, artery is present deeper inside, whereas vein is superficial. Superficial means you can see your vein, but you cannot see your artery, because artery is present deeper inside, whereas our vein is present what? Just below the skin, that is superficial, it is present. Now come to capillary. From that much time we are discussing about artery and vein, we are ignoring capillaries. Now we will give importance to what? Capillary. Let's see. Capillary means what? When artery breaks into smaller arterioles, and veins break into smaller venules. I will tell which one is largest artery, largest vein. That one I will discuss. Don't worry about that. When these arterial veins breaks into smaller parts, they convert into what? Capillary. They convert into what? Capillary. Understood? Next one. Artery branches into smaller and smaller vessels. The finest, which are called capillaries, means finest branches of artery is also called capillaries, and it leads to venules, means it mixed with the venules. Actually, the main function of capillary is what? It can reach to each and every part of the body where vein and artery cannot reach. Vein and artery cannot reach to some places in our body. In that place, capillary can reach. Understood? Next one, the most important function is their vital function is what? It helps to transport or exchange the minerals, glucose, nutrients with the neighboring cell. Why? Because the walls of the capillary is permeable. It can allow certain substance to pass through it, and it will mix with the help with what? Our cell. Next one, their thin wall allow the movement of oxygen and other materials from the blood into the neighboring cell, and the thin wall also allow the capillary to take up carbon dioxide and other material from the cell. Suppose one capillary is here, so many cells are there. From cell, capillary will take carbon dioxide and other waste material, and to the cell it will give oxygen, and which are needed for the other food materials like carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, proteins, whatever may be. Now we will discuss about heart. Understood? Now we will discuss about heart. Today I will discuss half of the different parts of the water. Heart. Next day we will discuss the rest part of the heart. Heart okay, this is right auricles. Auricles also you can say, I will write everything, don't worry about that. Right ventricles, left auricles or left ventricles. Here aorta also there. Here so many pulmonary arteries, veins are there. Here pulmonary arteries, veins also. This is pulmonary artery and this is pulmonary vein. Here bicuspid, tricuspid valve is there. Here superior, inferior vena cava is there. Okay, this wall is thicker wall. Ventricles wall is thicker. Why I will tell later. First one, heart. Heart is a pumping organ which is present slightly left side of the body, left side of the chest cavity. It is not present fully left side. It is just present slightly left side in the chest cavity. It is a muscular organ, double wall muscular organ. The double wall is called pericardium. The double wall is called what? Pericardium. Whereas in between the wall one fluid is there. The fluid name is pericardial fluid. The name of the fluid is what? Pericardial fluid. Again, actually our heart is how much chamber? 4. How many chambers are there? 4. Right side atria, A-T-R-I. Auricles also you can say. Right atria, right auricles, right ventricles. Right ventricles and left side left auricles or left atria and left ventricles. And in between them one muscular wall-like structure is there that is called septum. That is called what? Septum. Whereas in between right side, right auricles and right ventricle, one valve-like structure is there. Why valve is there? That valves only allow unidirectional motion of blood. Unidirectional. One way movement. Okay. Means backside backflow of the blood is not possible. That is called tricuspid valve. Why it is called tricuspid? Because your triangular structure is there. That's why tricuspid valve. Whereas this part, left side and left atria, left ventricle are separated by valve. The valve name is bicuspid valve. And bicuspid valve is also called mitral valve. What? It is also called mitral valve. Is it visible everything? Yes. So, right auricles, left auricles. Right atria also you can say. This is right ventricles, left ventricles. Now, one question may arise in your brain that, sir, this side, why you are writing right side? Actually, we can see this is our left one. If I will stand like this side is my left side, this side is my right side. But our heart we are showing like this. Now you just stand, this side is right and this side is what? Left. So that I have written right auricles and this side left one. Now these two parts you are looking at. This is carrying only deoxygenated blood and the name of these two is called vena cava, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. You can say posterior vena cava or anterior vena cava. Understood this much? Wait a little. Yes. What you can say? Sorry, anterior vena cava and posterior, or you can say superior vena cava or inferior vena cava. They are only carrying deoxygenated blood from each and every parts of the body and draining where? They drains deoxygenated blood in right auricles, right arteria. Understood? From the heart to each and every part of the body by the help of one largest artery named aorta. Before already we have discussed about aorta. I told one term is there, aorta. Aorta is the largest artery, and this vena cava, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, they are called largest vein. Whereas arterioles, which becomes capillaries, arterioles is called smallest artery and venules is called smallest vein. Now, how every parts I told you, septum I told you, bicuspid valve, tricuspid valve I told, right arteria, left arteria, right ventricles, left ventricles, largest artery is called aorta, and this part, this blood vessel is going to the lungs or not, that is called pulmonary artery. P.A means you just feel pulmonary artery, and this is called pulmonary vein. This is called pulmonary vein. Which part? This part brings blood from lungs to the left auricles, and this pulmonary artery carries blood from right ventricles to the lungs for oxygenation. Understood? So, in the next class, we will discuss how blood is flowing, how from each and every part the blood is coming to our heart, and how heart is exchanging that deoxygenated blood with the help of lungs for oxygenation to oxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood to oxygenated blood. Understood? Today only this much. Next class we will discuss about different parts, what are the functions of each and every part, why these ventricles wall is thicker, how it transport blood from left ventricles through aorta to each and every part, how heart attack takes place. Heart attack is also called myocardial infarction. What is angina pectoris? Everything we will discuss. After that much time, you just complete with the help of diagram and read whatever may be. Now I talk to you. Okay? If you really enjoyed my class, then subscribe my channel, like it and share it as many people you know that, or you are in which our media line or what in any platform you are there, you can share it. Okay? Thank you. Take care. Bye.